What's the meaning of beach? Beach. Beach.
Beach. Beach. The term beach refers to a narrow strip of land that lies along the shoreline of a body of water, typically consisting of sand, pebbles, or rocks. It is an area where land meets sea, and is often a popular site for recreational activities such as swimming, sunbathing, and beach sports. Beaches can vary in size and shape, from small secluded coves to long stretches of coastline that span miles. They are home to a diverse range of flora and fauna, including seaweed, sandpipers, and crabs. Despite their natural beauty, beaches can face threats from erosion, pollution, and climate change.